There's so perfect. Morning walk. Morning. Okay. Babang, come here na. Kakain ka, Babang. Good morning. Kain ka na, come here. Come here na. Kana. You want to eat na? Kana. Mana? Come here na. Eat. Eat na, come here na. Thank you for the 4 people. Thank you, Mom. Come here na. Come. Come, baby. Need to eat na. Come here. Thank you for the 2 thumbs up. Come here na, baby. Oh. Come. Eat na, ikaw. Eat. Come. Come. Eat na. Wow, ang bait, baby. Da. Ito. Oh, wow, yummy. Yes! Very good. Good job. Hi, Jamal. One Hill family. Hello, Jamal. Come here, Bang. Kain. Papa. That's you, baby. Come here na, kakain na ka.
Ay, sarap pa siya ang luto. Hindi ito luto. Ang pinaso.
Kita pasok.
Iyan mo lang. So, harap ko dito.
Kayan Paper Vlog. Hi, Lolo. Hi, Ate Kayan. Hi, sis. Magandang umaga, Sheryl. Beglang. Good morning, Beglang. Big, why do you come in with a different number each day? Hi, sis Kayan. How are you? Good morning. Kumusta? It's like number 3. Thank you. How are you, sis? Thank you for the 6 to Zach. From Zach. Wala na sin sabaw. Ubos na. Fritos na lang natin ba?
Ano na?
Ayan.
May plata.
Yeah. Like. Yeah. Come here na, baby. Kain na ikaw. Ha, Big Jaya. Ano yan?
Magpaba na.
Come here na. Eat na ikaw, eat. You don't like? Come here na. Aba? Come na. Come. No. Come here na. No. What do you want? Ano gusto? Ano gusto, andang? Aday. Wala. Pero Alabama, USA, disgusting master. Kumusta? Okay lang po. Hello from Alabama. Hi. Okay, just wondering. At the top of your screen, the lights are numbered. The light that I give you was number 3. Yes. Thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up. Number 6, Alabama. Thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up. Kapal. Masilaw. Ilaw. Shout out Sheryl Ohm from Ninja's Lane. Hi, Ninja. Let's eat breakfast. Mami, Mandita. Mimi? Mimi? Di pa man na dahil nubas? Bas na? I always do that first. Thank you. Mr. Asahan. The roster crows. Hi, she wants Jollibee. I want Jollibee. Double tap your screen like and subscribe, everyone. Thank you, Big Lon. Thank you so much. Kumusta kayong la? I always do that. Thank you. Hi, host. Anthony Official 2. Hi, guys. Sanders. Good morning, Cheryl. How are you doing? It's breakfast. Thank you, guys. Sanders. No, the baby wants Jollibee. Ano? You want ano? You want Mimi? You like Mimi? You want Mimi? Mimi? Lula Mami. Nahin mo si Lula Mami. San Mimi? Mimi. Good evening, team. Bye, Greg. Hi, Greg. Kumusta, Greg? Look at Pops. Same to you from Tim. She's a throat. What? It's not stranger there and smart. Thumbs up dan maganda, Sheryl. Thank you, Greg. Magandang umaga po. Good morning. Good morning, team. Good morning, team. Good morning, love. Oh, BG Atif. Where are you from, BG? Kain. Let's eat the rice. You are so beautiful. Weh. What happened to your head? My head? Delicious food. Thank you. Tomato with egg. A scrambled egg with tomato. With fried fish. Slice. That's it, guys. Do you eat rice for fish? Yes. Yes. I eat rice for fish. We eat milk, honey, butter, jam, cheese, tea, and coffee for breakfast. Ah, okay, the bread. With the bread. Baby. Na. Ayaw na. Tapos na. Papa, ikaw. Papa, ikaw. Papa, ikaw. Yummy. Yummy, the egg. Come here. I like it. Thank you for the 12. Too soft. Hmm? Papa. Wawa man si Babang. Papa, Babang. Yay, nagpapa. Ang galing naman ni Bangbang. You want to eat? Egg? And then egg ha. The egg ha. Babang. Hoy. How much do you eat? Having chicken. Chicken. Chicken outside, the neighbor chicken. Chicken singing. Every morning, all day. Hidalgo, sabi nyo, hi. Hidalgo. I'm from Philippines. Ayun yung turog. Pukawa na. Double tap your screen. Like and subscribe now, everyone. Thank you, Biglang. Precious, that's always pretty. Pa-shout out. Shout out po, Precious. Shout out kay Precious. From Ireland. Ah. Thanks. Where are you from, Precious? Oh. Mahay be. Hi, Ray Miller. Iran. Iran. Name? Kana, come here. Kay kakain ikaw. Come here. Papa, ikaw, Papa. Uy, ang galing na. Wow, Papa. You don't like na? Papa, ito ho. May chicken, ay may ano. The egg. Like this. Ito. Yummy. Yummy. Chichi? Mm-hmm. Pig. Pig. Give me a bite of that rice. I'm hungry. Minute to eat, guys. Eat.
Papa.
Pa. Gusto kang papay. Gusto kang papay. Kayo.
Mama.
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 Ito. Sleep si mama. Sleep.
Me.
Me?
Papa. Papa.
Daddy Mouse. Hi, Daddy Mouse. Yes.
Papa.
Hi. Where's your papa?
Dada.
Umurun mo didiho kanya kami. Ha? Ada. Ada. Hi, Baban. Hello, say hi. Hello. Hey. Hello. Can you show me the baby yet? Hi, beautiful. Can you answer my call? Thank you. What's the call?
Oh, baby. Papa.
Ay, mapapa ka. Papapa si baby. Ay, nabok na. Where are you from, Charles Alfonso?
Papa.
Papa? Adiyo. Tomato. Zaybust. Beautiful. Bye-bye. Ito na ka, mama. Nasinas, mama. Ito na. Bye-bye, bang-bang. Both you and the baby are beautiful. Thank you.
Tulong. Bawa. Bawa. Tulong.
Lagay mo. Where's Kuya Gab? You understand English? Yes, I understand English. You wake up early, I sleep until noon. You wake up early, that's good. Kaya pa bang? Come here bang? Bang? Hey. Bang. again. This time I love you much better. Come here, Bang. Bye-bye. Come here. Dadang. Ala na. Bang, bang. Kana. Pa dito sila na, siningkudan. Pa dito yung kudan. Ay, ng bata. Hindi mo, bang. Bang. Come here, didi na, kana. Kana.
Papay.
Papay. Mas papay mo. Kaya na kayo si papay. Ano ta, papay?
Na.
Na. Oo, papay. Tugod ka. Papay. Parang dive na, uyabitan mo pa. Oo. May nalagalag pa sa bulsak mo. Ay, sana ako. Di na talaga ba din na magdaghano na? Sana ako. Gana ang mga malukta. Di na ka sa ano, serious ha. Si Jun, ang parang dire. Wala ma, nanduan na ka ma. Magama? Dili si Jun, ang si Chino. Wala man. Siyempre, wala pa ka mo. Kung talaglag talang diwa? Ha? Laglag talang diwa? Sila nakasulog sa iba na linyada. Ala lang, matigas ka na. Puro ito ano, kadaganan na. Ano ko? Kaano ni ano? Lalo na. Mari.
Ana.
Ang pansin mo siya.
Ana. Yun, matog. Ikaw ka doon. Ana.
Ano, come here na. Baba. si Mark? Oo, kanina na aga.
Sabay na rin Giselle. May bata.
Maaga man kanina sila.
Oo, Giselle. Ginarot nga ni ako kayo. Sabi ko, bagay mo si Sipin. Kanina man, nasa Jamil aga. Ha?
Ako lang biyahe.
Diri, sa ano sila papay? Sa motor.
Tapos si Jamel.
Si Jamil. Jamil lang si Giselle.
Di ka na nagralugada kanina.
Body ganun mga nakampo.
Mas bati mo lang kung ano sa gamit niya.
Mas bate? Kaya mani, si Ilian sabi, sa Manila mga kami. Di mani, nabati pila. Sabi mani, bati. Pamanalal ka ngayon sila Giselle niya. Ama.
Ito yung dalaga.
Si Mark.
Ah,
Hoy, Dadang.
nagtanong mo na mga nagdalaga.
Uy, wala ba yan?
Uy, pasok ka doon. Makusugong kaliwat.
Kurt, ang sarap mo na lang ano, ayos. Hala ba ako shit mo na?
Sige.
My love, John Figueroa. Hi from Peru, Puerto Rico. Hello. Who is so busy? How are you doing?
Dang-dang!
Hey, Appa. Hello. From
Dang.
where are you from?
Apir!
You live in beautiful place. You have a nice house, school. Nice house.
Yan, mga nagdalaga.
Tambay sa kalsada. Good morning po. Tambay talaga sa kalsada. Thank you for the 19. Do you want to hear a joke? What is your joke? Why did the chicken cross the road? Why? Why? Rodrigo, Sheryl, good morning, my friend. Good morning. Good evening there to you. Thank you for the 19 tabs up to give the cute girls ha. Sarah, oh, Sarah, oh. Knock, knock. Who's there? How are you? I'm good, Rodrigo. How about you? How are you na? The chicken. The chicken. 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 My bro. He came to your house. Okay.
Ano na nalagyan?
Nag-comment sa ano ko. You must be the girl. Thank you. Babang!
Bagan-bagan sa kanya. Ito ko sa kanya.
Pag nag-inom siya bulog, nag-uurubag siya.
Ito bisa. Basta
Pag nag-inom siya bulog, nag-uurubag. Dapat mo pa rin yung bulog na.
kumbang.
Si ano ba yan? Philippines. Coffee for me, friend. Yes, I'm from Philippines. Don't forget to like my friend. Okay? Bye, friends. Time lunch. Bye-bye. Invited you.
Ako to sa siki, mga kansara, mga
Ano ako nun?
mas na rin mga diabetes,
Diabetic.
diabetic.
Mga kidney. Failure. Bato.
Ito is ba ganun ganun? Kanya niya, dialysis.
Hanggang yan. Mao na.
May maparuro ka na rin.
Lahi nila.
Bayaan mo, yung maparuro ka na yan.
Mute. Hello. 8:10 na. 8:10. Thank you for the 20 people. Give thumbs up and 7 people here. Salamat. Thank you. Inferior with my arms again. This time. Medyo ano.
Ang bibi mo, ma. Ang bibi mo. Hindi, ang bibi mo.
Akala ko ay okay. I will end the live soon because I need to work today. Working, busy day today. Need to work. Need to finish the task. Thank you guys for always joining my live. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you to reach the goal. Salamat. Thank you. Ever you're in my arms again. This time, you're much better. Oh my God. Run. Come on. Video in my arms. Thank you. Come on. At sa bawat minuto.
Wala kang kaset.
Turog!
Siyang.
Don't forget you have lifestyle, don't change in front of camera. Ah, yes. Okay. All right. need to end because I need to work today. I need to work today. Aray ko, nantok na naman ako. You going to work or home? If I have a laptop, I do work home, but the laptop is, the owner is get pick yesterday. So I need to go find someone having a laptop. I need to borrow someone. Need to finish the task. Charles Alfonso, hi beautiful, hi. Need to find people having a laptop. I borrowed the laptop to finish the task. To finish the task. Thank you for the 21 thumbs up. Salamat. Thank you. Triple star. Hi T-Bar. T-Bar. Thank you for the 22 people. I thought laptop was your brother, you said. No, not my brother. My niece. But she study. He needs to work. He needs to bring her laptop. It's going in Sorsogon bring her laptop last night. So I need to find someone having a laptop because I need to finish the task. Hi! So, sige lang. Hindi naka-live ako sa. I thought laptop was your brother's. No, it's not my brother. Thank you for the 20, the 8 people here. Thank you so much. Hi, Charles Star, Charles Alfonso. Thank you so much. Ano? Nagudo? O, come here na. Sino ang gusto mo?
Ano?
Nagudo ko siya.
Ay, si mama mo.
Pukawa na, pukawa. Pukawa.
Baka mata si mama. Mama, go. Dali, go na.
Yay, baho. Adaw. Kamina Charming. Okay, get ready. Hi, Gustolo. Ano? Ano sinabi mo? Thank you. Get ready. Dan, ano? Oh, sige na. Bye-bye. Thank you. See you later. Opo, tapos na ako. Bye-bye.